Annyeonghaseyo everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be customizing my old phone case into this legendary BTS X Army one. Let's go. So here I'm taking my old phone case and I'm using a spray paint in the shade matte black 4 and I'm going to just spray it all over the cover. I'm just gonna cover it. So there it is. Next up, I'm going to mark where the letters are gonna go. So that's the BTS and Army down there. So now taking a small tip brush, I'm going to paint it with acrylic colors in the shade Pearl. I just didn't want to mess the letters, that's why I made sure that I had them properly written. So I just outlined it with the pencil and I'm just going to fill it with the white color now. You guys take your time, it's no hurry, it should be very neat, tidy. So I'm taking my time here filling it in. There you go, I completed the letter B. Now I'll do the rest ones and be back. Okay, so here I've completed the BTS thing part and I've done with the army too. Now I'm just gonna keep it aside and go out for the pop socket. So you guys must be wondering, why did I leave the open space in between the BTS and the army? That's right, I was gonna insert a pop socket there. So as you can see, there's a black pop socket here and I'm just going to paint BTS logo on it. Whenever you're painting with the acrylic colors, please make sure that once you apply your first coat, let it dry completely and then you go for the second coat, because what happens is, if the first coat is dry and you try to apply a second coat, it just don't work. So please keep that in mind. First, let the first coat dry completely, then you opt for the second coat. I did it with the phone case. um, I was actually making a mistake, so that's why I thought I'd share it with you guys too, so that you will get a nice and a tidy touch to your phone case, and it won't look untidy ones like. Mhm. So take your time and paint it. So now that the BTS logo is complete, I'll set it aside for a few minutes to dry. So here's the case, complete phone case, and here's the pop socket. So now I'm going to attach the pop socket to the phone case. So there we go, I'm attaching it now. Before attaching, please make sure that you're attaching it properly, because once it's attached you cannot remove it again. So be careful while sticking the pop socket onto your back cover. So there it is, that completes the whole back cover. 진짜 대박이다. Oh, it's really awesome. Why I like it. Proud of myself. Ha ha. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna, yeah, there's my phone, and that's how it looks. The background on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, share it with your friends and family. Do try this simple, easy DIY phone case, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Annyeong, saranghaeyo.